Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on replacing the closure system of your Thermomix TM6. Today, we will guide you through each step of the process, ensuring you have all the necessary information to perform this task efficiently. First, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. These tools will be essential for accessing the internal components of your Thermomix. To begin, unplug your Thermomix TM6 from the power source. Safety is our top priority. Once it's unplugged, place the device on a stable surface, preferably on a soft cloth to avoid scratches. Now, we will start by removing the lid. Gently lift it off, making sure not to force it. Next, we will focus on the closure system. Using your Phillips screwdriver, locate the screws securing the closure mechanism. There are typically 4 screws on the back. Carefully unscrew them and set them aside in a small container for easy retrieval later. Once the screws are removed, you can now detach the closure system from the main body. If you encounter resistance, check for any remaining screws that may need to be removed. Remember, if you're unsure about handling this, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to assist you. With the closure system detached, take this opportunity to clean the internal area of your Thermomix. Use a soft cloth and a mild cleaning solution. Avoid using excessive water or submerging the device, as it can damage the electronics. Cleaning is key to maintaining the device's performance. Next, let's move on to the arm. Locate the screws that hold the arm in place. Again, using your Phillips screwdriver, gently remove these screws. If the arm seems stuck, check if there are any clips that need to be released. It's important to handle this step with care to avoid damaging the arm or the body of the Thermomix. Once you've successfully removed the arm, inspect the areas for any signs of wear or damage. If you find any issues, replacing the arm may be necessary for optimal operation. When you're ready to install the new arm, align it properly and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Now, let's proceed to replace the bowl and plug. Ensure you have the correct replacement parts ready. Simply lift the bowl out of the main unit and set it aside. For the plug, carefully unscrew it from its place. If you need assistance with parts, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier to get what you need without any hassle. After replacing the bowl and plug, double-check that all components are securely in place. Make sure that there are no loose screws and that everything is aligned correctly. This is crucial for the proper functioning of your Thermomix. Finally, before reassembling the lid, do a quick inspection of all the parts to ensure everything is in order. If you have any doubts, remember, we can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know what to expect. Once you are confident everything is correctly installed, carefully place the lid back onto the Thermomix. Plug the device back in and perform a quick test to ensure everything operates smoothly. Congratulations! You have successfully replaced the closure system of your Thermomix TM6. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. We hope you found it helpful and informative. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.